Seeking English, S.A.T. Workbook, page 329, problem 3. I've tried many times to make this video interesting, and I have failed. Okay, a doctor's office schedules appointments in 30-minute time slots. All appointments are 30 minutes long, which I think means each appointment is 30 minutes. The office is open 8 hours per day, 5 days a week. How many appointments can they schedule in total for Thursday and Friday? So first thing is you have to sort out useful information from useless information. The 30-minute time slots are valuable because they tell you that in the absence of further explanation, each hour that appointments are scheduled, there are 2 appointments per hour. 2 appointments per hour. Okay, the office is open 8 hours per day. I think that's reasonably straightforward. 5 days a week, you don't need to know that because you're not going to calculate how many hours are contained in those 5 days or how many hours are contained in a complete week. You're only going to calculate hours for 2 days. It says Thursday and Friday as if that's useful information. You are forced to infer that Thursday and Friday are part of those 5 days, that they're open. If you don't infer that, you'll be inferring something else. There's no way around it unless you just don't want to answer the question. My recommendation is try to infer the obvious. Thursday and Friday are probably part of those 5 days a week. 2 days times 8 hours is 16 hours times 2 appointments per hour is 32 appointments. Or if you prefer the other way, the chronology they give you, more or less, is 2 appointments per hour times 8 hours is 16 appointments times 2 days is 32 appointments. Either way, your answer should be 32. I wish I knew why students keep getting this one wrong. Not always, but more often than I would expect. I'm very sympathetic. If you check my other videos, I think you'll find I come off as very sympathetic to students being confused by things. In this case, I'm frustrated with myself because it's hard for me to understand why students are still getting this wrong. There has to be something that I can explain more clearly. If you can think of that, please tell me in the comment section. What about my explanation was not clear? Thank you.